Hi everyone, I'm here to share some important details about two exciting events we have coming up. This Sunday, July 6th, marks the 90th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Let's come together to celebrate his life, his teachings, and his lifelong commitment to peace and compassion. Our program will begin at 9 a.m. with prayers, followed by the official program at 10 a.m. Lunch will be a vegetarian potluck, so we kindly ask you to bring a dish to share. If you're able, please bring a little extra. We're expecting many guests from outside the Tibetan community who may not be able to bring food. After lunch, we'll begin a 3-mile peace march, so don't forget to wear comfortable walking shoes. Here are a few things to keep in mind. We will be blocking the Dalai Lama Avenue, so please carpool if you can. We'll also have a shuttle service from El Cerrito Plaza right in front of Marshall's, running from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. After the march, we'll return for a joyful evening of Gorshe, followed by a special dinner provided by Tank. On Saturday, July 12th, we'll be hosting a concert evening at the church in Kensington. There will be live music, dinner, and drinks. More details can be found on the flyer posted on our social media pages. So make sure to check those out and spread the word. Thank you for your time, and we can't wait to see you at both the events. Thank you.